Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Thunderobot Storm 175070, a large-screen gaming laptop built for serious performance. Right away, the 17.3-inch QHD display running at 165 Hz stands out. The 2K resolution keeps visuals sharp, and the high refresh rate makes gameplay feel smooth and responsive, whether you're in a fast-paced shooter or exploring massive open worlds. Under the hood, it's powered by a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H, paired with an RTX 5070 GPU. That combo delivers strong performance in modern AAA titles, even with high settings and ray tracing enabled. Add in 64GB of DDR5 RAM and a 2TB SSD, and multitasking becomes effortless. Gaming, editing 4K video, or running heavy creative apps all feel fluid and stable. Cooling is another highlight. With dual turbo fans and a multi-vent airflow system, it keeps temperatures under control during long sessions without excessive noise. The RGB backlit keyboard with a full number pad feels solid for both gaming and productivity. Now, it is a larger laptop, so portability isn't its strongest point. But if you want desktop-level power in a portable form, the Storm 17 absolutely delivers.